kapag naggagaling-galingan kayo at ayaw umandar yung sasakyan ninyo, kung hindi po talaga yung confident, huwag nyo pong pakikialaman na i-jump start.
My name is Andre Bonds of the Handsome Mechanic.
Yes, you should be here.
Okay, good afternoon mga kahansam. Ito na naman, another exciting video na naman. So kayo guys, kapag naggagaling-galingan kayo at ayaw umandar yung sasakyan ninyo, kung hindi po talaga yung confident, huwag niyo pong pakikialaman na i-jump start. Ito ang nangyari ngayon. Ayaw umandar ng sasakyan, pinatowin yung sasakyan sa atin. Sabi ng NRMA, alternator, nagpalit tayo ng alternator. Pero nung further testing natin, na-drain pa rin yung battery. Na-find out natin, where is the old one?
You have to disassemble.
Okay, disassemble yung buong fusible link. Nung na-find out natin, sunog yung main fuse niya dahil suspected na nagkabaligtad yung positive at negative nung nagja-jump start sila. So kung hindi po kayo sigurado sa pagja-jump start, huwag niyo pong pakikialaman dahil hindi ito masusunog ng ganun-ganun lang. So kailangan natin umorder ng brand new, genuine, at complete fusible link. We have to put it there and test.
Assemble and
yes, okay. But the good thing happen here is you won't easily find a workshop around the area na kayang magkaroon ng turnaround in less than a day. Nakita yon, napalitan yon, and at the same time pwede nang i-release. This is Andre Bonds, the Handsome Mechanic. You should be here.